welcome parents, welcome students and teachers who are coming to today's project showcase for the enrichment clusters and the self-enrichment program. So both these subjects explore vocational skills as well as life skills through projects and activities to help our students build 21st century skills. In today's event, our students will provide a glimpse of the different activities, their learnings and reflections that they have experienced over the last 2 months. So this is our final D-Day. I know, like today when I saw at 11:10, when I started the meeting, a lot of you are already there. It just means that we are just experiencing a range of emotions, and all our collective efforts are coming together today. Some may be a little tired. I'm not sure if everyone has slept well. Some may be a little nervous. I am personally very, very excited because I have actually not been part of any of your practice sessions before, so I'm very excited. So before we start with all our presentations, I invite each of you, students, parents, teachers, to do a check-in with yourself, an emotional check-in. So before we take a flight, we need to check in and tell the airlines that we have arrived. Let's tell ourselves, what is that emotion that we are feeling right now? So you may use the chat box and just type out the emotion that each of you are going through at this point. You don't need to give a justification. Any emotion is fine. There is no negative or positive emotion. So just one, everyone, and we can just share with everyone what is that emotion that we are feeling. Thank you. I can see a lot of nervousness and excitement, and these are two different kinds of emotion, which is like emotions. And okay, there's confidence. There is, yeah, I can see largely. I'm seeing excited. I'm seeing nervousness, happy. So yes, all of us have all these emotions. You can keep typing them even uh, through the course of the event. Uh, so before we start this, let us acknowledge that each one here has come with all of their emotions. So let us start with some positive affirmations for to make this showcase a good experience for all of us. So I'm going to share some affirmations in the chat box, and I'm also going to read them out. So the first one is that today we will celebrate each one's progress and effort in this showcase. And hiccups and glitches are all part of this. The second one is that we will create a safe space in the Zoom meeting and will communicate with each other with respect and love and devote all our attention to this showcase for the next 45 minutes. And the last affirmation I want from each of you is we believe in our students and affirm that we will enjoy and have fun in this event. So with this, I want to just quickly acknowledge Zeel ma'am here. I didn't notice her in the beginning, but she's been running very, very high fever. And I know the pains she's taken with this class. So typically, I know this welcome address that I'm giving would have been hers. And I've started this meeting. So thank you so much for joining, and please keep jumping in whenever. So thank you, Zeel, for being that,
Definitely.
source of strength for the class, as as being your class and in supporting us in this. Uh, so now what we are going to do is we are going to have three breakout rooms. I will show you what the breakout rooms look like, and you can see. So before I open them up, I'm also going to just share this screen with you. So we will have three breakout rooms with these names. So students can go into their respective breakout rooms, And parents, you can choose to go into whichever. If you want to watch your child's presentation, you can go into that one. You can go into any of the other presentations as well. So I'm going to open up 3 breakout rooms at this point. Just give me a minute. And these are rooms that you can choose yourself. So the first room is visual arts and self-enrichment. In the second one, we have performing arts and self-enrichment. And in the last one, we will have home economics and self-enrichment. I may use an acronym for SE instead of self-enrichment because breakout rooms can only use that many characters. Okay. Can I quickly, in the meantime, hear from our students how ready you are? You can, you can unmute yourself and with your volume of a yes or no or excited or wow, just want to understand how ready do you feel for this. So yes, unmute yourself, students, and just give us a little bit of a cheer as to, are you ready for?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
say together.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. Yes,
I,
ma'am.
I still
Yes,
feel
ma'am.
that we are not as ready. I think we are a little low on energy. Can we have more energy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
now we got to 80%.
Yes,
In your
ma'am.
next, in your breakout room, we should get to 100%. Okay, so I've stopped the screen share here. I think we've gotten a chance to see the names. I've opened our breakout rooms, so you can go into the rooms as
Okay. Yes, we perform.
so home economics, Vidul ma'am will be there with you in the visual arts room. So Sheena ma'am will be there with you, and in the performing arts room, I will be there with Veal ma'am with you. Have fun.
Ma'am, I didn't got the invite.
So if you go to the bottom of your screen, you will see a symbol called breakout rooms, and then you will see the option.
No,
Is it
ma'am.
coming? Is it not coming, Manasi? Tell me which room you want to go to. I'll put you there.
Visual arts.
Visual arts. Yes, just a minute. And Manasvi, Manasvi's mother, I'm also assigning you visual arts. Okay. Anyone else who's facing issues? You should be able to see the little breakout room symbol at the bottom. And you can choose. Yes. Anshi, have you joined? Do you need me to assign you the room?
No, no, I was here as a part of the student volunteer.
Oh, yes. Sorry, Anshi. Sorry. Arohi? Arohi, Dipti, have you already been able to join? Okay, I'll just Dipti, the way someone is looking at Dipti, the way do you need help in joining any of the rooms? You can unmute yourself and tell me, and I can put you in the respective room.
Sorry, but we need to join the respective child's breakout room, right? Is
Yes.
that what you asked us to do?
Yes.
Okay.
So you
I'm
can go to your
Rihanna's
respective
mom. Yeah.
child. Okay. All right. So
Yeah.
you know which room to go to?
Home economics. Yeah, yeah. SC.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
Welcome. Yes, Tithi.
Good morning, ma'am.
What a good breakout room I was, I forgot.
Tithi, which group are you in? Can I just Okay, you're in visual arts, right, Tithi?
Yeah.
I can't I see your picture. Have you already moved? I think I can't see your name here. Tithi, are you able to just give me 1 second, okay? I will need to move to the room and I will come back in a minute. And Anshi, can you help parents here? If you need me, you can come to the performing arts room.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Said us how to act in drama. All through, we needed some help through Zeal, ma'am. We did many activities and learned many things. Done activities all about drama as finding bomb, drinking water using a glass, but there's no water or glass as we are acting. The whole drama is dependent on our expressions. If we will not show proper expression, then the other person, the audience, will be not able to guess or understand that what are we trying to say or act.
What did I learn from this project? We learn how to act with and without words. Skills related to acting, extracurricular skills, how to act like animals, mime acting, communication skills, creativity, work in a group.
Now, Rena will share. Rena will
So,
say the
Mia,
next
I just want to interrupt. I'm sorry. Is this screen share for this project or is this for the next presentation?
This is for this project.
Okay, Mia. All right. I think there was a comment from a student, which is why I was asking. Sure, go ahead.
Slide number 5 means 4. Rena, you can tell.
Where and how will I use the learnings of this project to perform in annual functions for entertainment purpose? Learning expressions will help in dance. It will also be helpful for not speakable people who can act, for games, body fitness, creativity and imagination.
Thank you.
Very well done, children. I would like everyone to clap for themselves. It was amazing. All right. Now, I believe that you all have also prepared a short skit for everyone. So can we have that now? All right.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is still time. What we have to do?
You have to do the skit that you had taken up. Meet Arush.
Nisarg.
Arush, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, whoever has participated in the skit can start now.
Ma'am, but Daksh is here? Is Daksh here?
Yes, I am here.
Yes.
So start from the starting. Okay.
First, introduce what you're going to do, and then you can start.
So we are doing a skit on advantages and disadvantage of networking. So first, when we are talking, Adhya, Nisarg, and Meet and Daksh are talking. Then Adhya can't unmute. Then Nisarg tells that what she's telling. Then I go to Daksh house. Then Daksh and Meet's house, and they are playing video games. So they tell that they don't have any time for play. Then I showed them act on mime. Then after they like the drama part, they even play that do that. So we are starting our skit. Okay. Adyan, can you play with us down? I can't listen you properly. What are you trying to say?
Arush, Adya is saying that she won't come to play.
Oh no. Okay, I would go to Daksh and Meet's house. Daksh and Meet, can you play with us down?
No,
No, we are busy playing video games.
Stop playing video game. I will show you a new thing.
What?
First, just put your phone down. Okay. I am doing a mime. So mime means act without any words and without anything. So I am starting. I was doing mime on how to drive a car.
Interesting.
Interesting.
Do you want to try? So Meet, what are you doing?
Trying to drink a coffee.
Okay.
Wait, I am also trying.
Okay. So Daksh, what are you doing?
I am taking water from the RO.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this was our skit on advantages and disadvantages of networking.
Great participation, everyone. I would like to ask one or two reflection questions to you all. Can you all or any one of you tell me what was the highlight of your project? Was there, it can be a session, it can be an assignment that you really enjoyed doing. It can be anything. So can one of you just unmute and respond?
I would like to respond. Drama and mime we can use anywhere, also in playing or also in video game, anywhere, and also for entertainment purposes. So it's good to learn new things about drama.
Okay, that's great. And I'm very glad that in a couple of weeks, you all managed to do this skit. I'm sure there was a lot of hard work involved in the process. And I'm really glad that you all presented and you worked together despite the number of sessions that we had. Reina, do you want to answer something?
Yes, I want to answer that. I enjoyed the whole project of performing arts because the most best thing I enjoyed learning was acting, because as you gave the homework, I felt cautious what to do. So as I watched the videos, I felt I can do this. And even if people can't hear or do say anything, if we do meme acting, they can understand what we're doing by actions.
Yeah, that's a very wonderful response, Rena. And I'm glad you feel that way. Uh, okay, does anyone who had taken it as optional would like to just say one sentence on,
Ma'am, I want to say something.
as a reflection?
Yes.
Okay.
So, ma'am, that you were
Okay.
telling that we were feeling some hardness, but it was not so hard to act because everyone like acting. So it was not more difficult to act.
Ma'am, but it was challenging also because we were doing online. Sometimes network problem would come and someone would leave online. So that was also a big problem.
Okay, okay. I like that you mentioned your challenge as well. That's great. Okay. Anyone else would like to respond? Anyone who had taken it as optional, performing arts? Videsh or Swara? Anyone, you all also can respond.
Ma'am, I wanted to say that I joined a few sessions of performing arts. They were really fun and we mostly learned. I discovered a new topic about mime acting, act without words, and it was really fun.
All right. Great, great. I'm glad you all responded. Now let's move on to the next process, right? So Anurima ma'am, can we
Sure.
have the next
Sure.
presentation?
Right. So, since I was not there at the start, we finished the drama presentations, right, Zeen?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this was so for parents who are watching, this was a little peek into the kind of projects that we were working on in the performing arts, under the enrichment clusters for performing arts. And when we work on complex projects and there is teamwork and students have shared some of their challenges, we do require many more skills than just the technical knowledge of acting and drama. And students had to become aware of their difficult emotions. They had to learn to work in groups. They had to persevere to even reach these goals, and they had to set healthy routines for themselves. So in this next segment, we're going to watch a few individual presentations from students who've covered some of these competencies during their self-enrichment sessions. So if I understand, we have Swara going next, and after that we'll have Vidyesh, sorry. So yes, over to you, Swara.
Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Swara from class 5A and I'm doing a presentation for self-enrichment classes. Today I'm going to share you my journey with self-enrichment. So throughout the journey, we learned 4 topics: great, emotional management, working with others, and routines. So I would like to thank Heta ma'am for all to teach all these wonderful topics. And so what is grit actually? It is about focusing on your goals. Now I'll share my screen. It's loading.
It's all right, Swara. We'll wait till it loads. Don't stress.
Okay.
Arush, your hand is raised. Is it raised from before, or do you want to ask a question now? We can take a few. Okay, all right. I just thought we can take questions in case you had a question. Vidyesh, your presentation is next. You can also keep your presentation open. And one option is, Swara, if you feel that your machine is taking a little time and you would prefer that Vidyesh goes first and you take up your presentation later, we can do that.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So, Vidyesh, do you want to share your screen? And yes, over to you.
Ma'am, I am just doing it.
Sure.
Yeah. So I am today talking about my journey on my competency emotional management. So it is very easy to understand from the word only that what is emotional management. It is how we manage our emotions. And like if we are sad, so how can we turn happy? So how did this program help me? This program helped me to always stay calm, getting out of a bad situation, and also staying in resilient zone means staying happy. What was my journey in emotional management? So at the first times I was very confused that what were the subtopics in this topic and how are we going to learn it. After that, I joined breakout rooms in my classes and I understood a lot from my roommates. And after that, I was actually reaching the developing level in my topic emotional management and was understanding more and more about it. And after that, I started to learn all.
I think Vidyesh is frozen for a bit. We'll wait for a minute or so. Don't worry. And for parents who've joined, you can start, giving feedback to students on the chat box. Let's see how we can motivate them, because these are fifth standard students doing PowerPoint presentations. Something in my 10 to 12 years of work, I know it's a struggle even after so many years. So yes, I think this is a great effort. So if you have any feedback, do keep leaving that. I think his Vidyesh left the meeting or he's probably joining from another ID.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Anurima ma'am. Can you give access again because students are unable to share the screen? Sorry.
Sure. It is, I think it was open. Can you check now?
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sure. Vidyesh, are you
Hello,
here?
ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
Yes, like suddenly I was freezed and I didn't know what
I know.
happened.
Yeah, it happens. Don't worry. This was our very first affirmation that
Oh,
hiccups and
yeah,
glitches are
it came.
fine.
I
It
think
come
it
now?
came, ma'am.
Okay.
I
So you
think
can
it
share.
came.
So you
Yes.
can share your screen now and we'll watch you. Vidyesh, are you sharing screen? Are you facing any challenges there? Because I think today from the other room also I got a message that they were not able to share screen for some reason. Even though,
Yes, ma'am, I am having some network issues in my
okay,
laptop or my
okay,
laptop is hanged.
don't
So
worry.
I think I can share from here. Is it okay?
Okay, absolutely, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So I am sharing my screen. Yeah, so like yeah, I'm just sharing my screen and opening the toolkits.
Vidyesh, you're very brave because till date, I don't have the courage to open a PPT from a phone. So congratulations on that.
Yeah. So like my story. So like I in the end I learned mostly about the all about emotional management and how to manage emotions in a proper way. How did this skill help me in real life? So like one day I was having my it was my starting of my semester exam, and I was also having so many homeworks to submit next week. So 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 like I stayed calm, and after that I didn't feel very stressed. I like started to think, and I also did my favorite. I started to do my favorite things. After that at night I decided that I plan to do 2 homeworks a day, and this is my homework about my favorite homework about writing a letter to myself. And this is how can you build this skill. Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
So Vidyesh, we're able to hear you. I think you were on how can you build these skills, so you can stay on this slide and maybe
Yeah, so
explain
like
it. Yes.
I can build these skills by like doing meditation, staying calm, and staying in resilient zone means staying happy. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, Vidyesh.
Yes. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am. Yes, I did it.
You've done this really well, Vidyesh. Do you want to
Ma'am,
stop the
can you
screen
please
share?
stop my screen share? I can't
You're not
stop
able
my
to?
screen share.
Okay, okay. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
I
try
can't
and do
stop
that.
my screen.
What we can do is, since we have Swara coming next, Swara, can you see if you can start your screen share?
Yes, I can start it actually.
Yes.
So first I would like to brief you about grit. So what is grit? Grit is all about work.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Swara, just a minute. Maybe you can start your screen share so Vidyesh's screen is minimized, or else if that's taking time, I will share. Okay, let me try and do this.
Ma'am, I'm sharing.
Yes, you can share your screen because we are still watching Vidyesh's screen. Right? Perfect,
Ma'am,
Swara.
can you see
Go
my
for
screen?
it. We can see your screen. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am. So I would like to brief you about grit. What is grit? Grit is actually about working towards your goals. Let's begin. My competency grit. What is grit? Grit is defined as perseverance and passion for short and long-term goals. Grit involves working hard towards challenges despite of failures, advertising disabilities over the years. How did this program help me? Way one. This program helped me to realize that we should keep focusing on our goal and not giving up. This program taught me to find my own interests and passion and coming out of my comfort zone. This program taught me falling down and doing a mistake is okay. Skills I learned. Focusing. I learned to focus on my goals and efforts. Keep retrying. This program taught me going through emotional setback, disappointments is okay, but I should not give up. How to have patience. Just to have patience and figure out the steps to make situation better and more productive. Real life examples. In the recent Paralympic, India did really well and won 29 medals and ranked the 24th place. We should be very proud. And these disabled people also achieve a big round of applause because they were disabled, though they kept trying and they did not give up. Interrogation of my SE and EC project. How can EC competency help with SE? It helped EC because I took drama in Initially, I was hesitant to deliver certain dialogues, but I did not give up. I keep practicing, and now my teacher is happy with the way I deliver dialogue with proper voice modulation. I was very shy to show my emotions and expressions during act, but I learned to come out of my comfort zone and working on my weakness through great philosophy, and now I'm fear-free on stage and I'm loving every bit of performing my act. How can I build these skills? Embarrassing challenges. So in embarrassing challenges, it's okay if you get embarrassed or laughed at, but you should not give up. Do not give up. You should not give up and keep retrying and retracing your step that what mistake did you make. Learn from your mistake and criticize. So learning from your mistake. If you make a mistake once or twice, it's perfectly okay. But you should learn from that same mistake and try not to make the same mistake again and again. Find lessons and inspiration of success of others. I should not be jealous or angry that my friends are doing better than me. I should actually go up to them and ask, how are you doing so well? Can you please tell me? I should actually go and ask them myself that, can I also learn from you? Practice growth mindset. You should not focus on what others are doing. Sometimes you should just focus on what you're doing. Thank you.
Very, very well done. Thank you so much
Thank you, ma'am.
to all the students. And yes, I think to see this kind of reflection. So there is a question by Nisarg. So Swara, if you
Yeah.
want to answer that,
Yes.
because it came up in your presentation. And
Yeah. Okay.
it says, what is criticism?
Criticism is actually the way you kind of express the feelings and not giving up. It's in a way that you don't give up and keep retrying.
Nisarg, was that helpful for you? Or do you have any clarifying questions?
That was helpful for me, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So yes, we've come to the end of our presentations, and thank you parents and teachers who've come and joined to watch students do this. They've actually put this together in about 2 weeks of practice and coordinating with each other. I personally had a great time interacting with all of you and listening to your reflections.